In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in CapCut. Very, very simple to do. So what you want to do is go to your CapCut and go ahead and make a project if you don't already have one. I already have one here loaded. So what we can do is go ahead and click your project. And then you're going to be in your usual spot here to edit the video and all that stuff. So what you can do from this point is look at the very bottom and see where it says captions. So we're going to go ahead and click captions. And you do have some options here. It can generate from the video if the video has audio, or it can generate it if you had your own personal audio on there itself. So I'm just going to do it from the video because that's what I want to do. And I'm just going to keep the auto detect here on, but you can go in here and choose a language. Default, it should be English. So I'll just choose English just to make sure. And we're going to keep the templates at default and just hit generate. So that's going to take a couple seconds. It usually works really, really quickly. So once you have it, then you see all of these captions here and you see it come up on the screen. So what we can do here is go ahead and hit play.
So I got it done.
There we go, and it's fine. So once you have your captions here, you can actually click any one of the captions here and then go ahead and you can edit your captions. So we can change the style. So we can go to templates and just kind of choose how you want it to come up on your screen. So we can change that to something like this, I guess. Go ahead and hit the
I got it done.
And it'll give you a preview really quickly. And then what you can also do, and I picked this specifically because it can sometimes misspell a word. So what you can do is go ahead and click that caption and then edit caption. And what this is going to do is it's going to give you an opportunity to change some of the spelling as well. So crypto in this sense is actually spelled with a K. So what we can do is change that here, change that to a K, and then it will automatically update on your caption. So it's a really easy way to do it. And it works really well, but you can choose it and you can move it around on your screen, make it smaller or bigger. So it's really customizable, simple to do, and it really checks off all the boxes that you would need if you wanted to add subtitles to your video in CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.